It took me 4.5 years to get to the point where I've helped over 600 people make anywhere between $1,000 to an extra $10,000 plus per month. And inside of this video, I'm gonna explain to you all the steps that they've taken and what business model they're using to build income on top of their day-to-day jobs. And this is specifically gonna work if you have a family and if you work a day-to-day job. Now, by the end of this video, you'll understand what it is, how to go about it, and the steps you can be able to take right now after this video to get you to the point where you're not solely relying on your current income stream to be able to get you to where you want to be and live the life that you truly want. Welcome back everyone to another video, and if you don't know who I am and you're new here, my name is Cannell-Cohen. I've been in the Amazon space for over 4.5 years now, and I've personally scaled my own Amazon business to multiple 7-figure levels, but I've also been able to help a little bit over 600 people as well. Now, what we're gonna cover inside of this video is just strictly based on what's personally worked for me, what's worked for my students, and it's gonna give you real actionable steps to work towards the goal that you wanna be able to hit. Now, by no means do we make income claims inside of this YouTube channel. That's not my goal here. My goal is to simply provide you with a plan of action that you can implement on and hopefully get the results that you want at the end of the day. Now, let's first talk about the actual reality that a lot of people are in. All right, you might have a really good job. You might have some great benefits at the end of the day. But considering how inflation has risen over the last couple of years, ever since the pandemic, you're still living paycheck to paycheck, despite receiving promotions on an annual basis, right? You might even be one emergency away from being completely financially ruined. And as your kids get older and older, they're gonna demand more, they're gonna want more things. And you as their parent, you're the one that's gonna be able to have to provide for them for the things that they want. And let's face it, right? I'm not a parent, but I know that parents don't ever want to say no to their children at the end of the day. And this is a very tough situation to be in because a lot of times people feel so trapped with where they're at, and despite the fact that they can work more, despite the fact that they got a great job, there's just a certain ceiling that they can never break through with their current circumstances. And oftentimes, and especially today's environment, it's unpredictable, right? Your employer might not tell you that they can let you go at any given moment. They might do budget cuts, right? They're not going to let you know that your annual salary that you receive is not going to beat the rate at which inflation is increasing on an annual basis. Your benefits that you're staying at your job for barely really cover anything at the end of the day. So there's no real actual security in today's day and age, where the old way of getting to the point where you're financially free, or to the point where you're actually making stable income, where you're not living paycheck to paycheck, that's just not working anymore. But if you've seen my YouTube videos, if you head on over into my Instagram and you take a look at my highlights, or maybe you've seen just a bunch of different types of people making money online and wondering how they're doing it, it's relatively simple because they're building income streams outside of their current income that they have right now. They're not just only focusing on one source of income. And most importantly, they're literally creating something that they can control. Not HR, not their boss. They're creating income that's within their hands rather than being in the hands of someone else. And this is what a lot of people do to get to the point where they're escaping that vicious cycle, living paycheck to paycheck, or only relying on their 9-to-5 job, or being frightened for the fact that a medical emergency might arise and then they're going to be financially wiped. Now, when I talk about building a side stream of income outside of your regular day-to-day job, majority of side hustles nowadays oftentimes just, require more from you than anything else. Okay, so like take DoorDash, for example, or doing Uber Eats. You're gonna have to continuously be present in order for you to make money. So you're gonna have to be driving your car. You're putting your car at risk, right? Your insurance also changes on your car when you use your car for travel purposes. And I mean, you might even be dealing with angry customers, but let's talk about other things, right? Like multi-level marketing, MLM, those pyramid schemes that a lot of people often sometimes promote, where you're required to sell your friends or sell your family on what it is that you do, and you're only earning a small percentage of what the top guy is actually earning. You never really earn the full amount. That could destroy a lot of relationships that you have with family or with friends. Or you can think about the more traditional way of going about things, real estate, all right? Now, the thing is with real estate does work, right? These things could work. Don't get me wrong, guys. I'm not trying to say that they don't work, but you got to think about having more leverage. And with real estate, more oftentimes than not, yes, it does require a hefty amount of money upfront in order for you to get started on a real estate property, whether it's a flip, whether it's just a real estate investment property, whatever it might possibly be. But also to that point, you're looking at 2 to 5 years for that real estate investment property to actually start turning a profit for you and giving you the cash flow that you truly desire. Now, I'm not sure, but maybe you might not be willing or wanting to wait 2 years to be in the position that you want to be in. Maybe you don't want to be continuously staying stuck at your day-to-day job for the next 2 to 5 years. So that's the thing with a lot of these side hustles nowadays. They require more from you rather than allowing you to buy back more of your time. So this is why a lot of very smart individuals, a lot of smart family members, parents, people that work day-to-day jobs choose Amazon over anything else. Now, despite the obvious of course, people always spend money on Amazon. Every single student I've worked with over the last 4.5 years has literally told me all they do is ever buy stuff off of Amazon. They never knew that they actually make money with Amazon. Now, here's a fun fact for you, where people spend money, people are also making money on the other side of that. So people go to Amazon because they already know about it. They already like it, right? They already trust the process of how it all goes down. And selling on Amazon is so much different compared to all these other side hustles or methods out there, because Amazon already has 300 million customers coming to the platform organically without you having to do any marketing, without you having to run any ads, without you having to promote the products that you're actually listing yourself. And the model that we walk through, you're never gonna have to see any inventory. You never have to buy any inventory upfront. You're never gonna have to put it in a warehouse like Amazon FBA or anything along those lines. And you can do this completely anonymously as well. So even if you don't wanna show your face, even if you don't wanna do stupid TikTok dances and whatnot to get the highest amount of views, you don't have to worry about that, right? You're completely faceless with this whole entire process of selling on Amazon. So you can still stay anonymous. You can still live your day-to-day life. You can conduct a whole entire business from the comfort of your own home without actually having to be present at a certain place and certain time in order for you to make money. And for those of you that might be questioning, okay, well, I'd like to get into this, but I don't know if this is actually something that's doable for me. I can tell you all about, you don't have to wait for the right time. I can talk about, how you're thinking about this wrong, but I'd rather just show you, right? I'd rather just show you from real people that are inside of our program right now, that are busy individuals, that have children, that have day-to-day jobs, but are still making the time for the things that are important for them because their priorities are aligned and they're getting the results from it. So take someone like Erica, let's say, for example. Now, Erica's in a little bit of a different position because she did actually previously buy into an Amazon program before that was about Amazon FBA. But unfortunately, she didn't get any results from it. And there was a lack of mentorship. There was a lack of one-on-one with the actual head coach himself. And at the end of the day, she wasn't making any results that she wanted to be able to make because she does live a very busy life. So Erica works about 12 to 15 hours per day, Monday through Friday. Now that's pretty hectic. So when she came inside of my program, the reason why she decided to join is because the fact that she does have the contextual mentorship that I personally provide her with to make her understand how she doesn't need a lot of time, she just needs that right information. So we structured a blueprint, we structured a weekly schedule together, and making sure she had her list of things in line and in check to be able to ensure that she's not wasting any time, but she's putting money in her pocket for the time that she does have available after she's working those 12 to 15 hour days. So after our first one-on-one mentorship call together, that same night, Erica ended up making her first sale for about a little bit over $700, which was a high ticket product. And then within 3 days, she got to the point where she made a little bit over $2,250 in total sales with her Amazon business. And this is what mentorship is all about, right? So someone that's working 12 to 15 hours per day is still utilizing the extra 45 minutes, the extra hour that she has available during the weekdays, and maybe a little bit more time on the weekends as well, to push herself to earn more money so that way she can have more leverage and cut back on her hours eventually within the next 3 months. Or even someone like Christian Van Hant, dad of 4 kids, used to work as a landscaper, now in the point where over the last 12 months, he's been able to do over $8 million in total sales. Or someone like Nadine, who's a mom of 2 little kids. She got to the point of $124,000 over the last 16 days with her Amazon business. Or someone like Colton and Sybil, right? They've been able to do $10,000 in total sales in their first 30 days. Or someone like Ronnie. Ronnie came inside of our program within 1 day. He was able to do over $10,000 in total sales with his Amazon store. Or even someone like Heather and Ben, right? Where we have a husband and wife duo coming into this. They have 2 little kids. And one of the biggest things is that, they wanted to be more present for their kids. They wanted to be able to attend more soccer games or be more available for their children to, experience these things with them. So within 12 months, Heather is now able to quit her full-time job, be more present at home, and spend more time with the kids and still continuously earn more money. And I'm not making any of this stuff up. I got all the receipts, I got all the proof, as you guys have seen, as I mentioned through the screenshots, just to show you that it's possible to be able to get to where you want to be. You might think, I'm not able to do that. I can't do that. It's not for me. It's not going to work for you. It could. You just got to give it a shot to actually try. So if you want to build an actual Amazon business around your day-to-day life without reinventing your schedule, to be able to spend more time with your kids, spend more time with your family, and just simply live life how it's supposed to, because at the end of the day, Time is something you can never get back. I'm limiting the next 5 people that click the link in the description down below to get a special when they join inside of my Amazon mentorship program. And you can only figure that out once you book in the call. So if you're interested in actually doing something that can help you, your family, and buy back more of your time and hopefully get you to the point where you're making more money, click the link in the description down below to get personally mentored by me one-on-one, and we can have a chat about it. All right, so let's talk about the real strategy, the things that actually make money with an Amazon business. Now, first things first, a lot of people get this ass backwards, so let me explain it to you very clearly. You are not starting on what Amazon shows you right on the Amazon.com or .ca platform. You're starting on what your supplier shows you first, right? And the reason why you do this is because the products that Amazon already shows you, those products are already selling really well. Those products already have a lot of views, but in turn, they also do have a lot of other sellers on those product listings. And with you selling on Amazon, your goal isn't to find the top tier of the top tier products. What your goal is to find mid-range producing products that have good amount of sales on a 30-day timeline, but also have minimal sellers on it. So that way you can have a higher chance of being able to compete. Now, the process on what exactly you're going to be selling is very simple. It's called the 70-30 rule. Now, the 70-30 rule is basically 70% of the products you list are going to be focused in major categories: tools and home improvement, sports and outdoors, toys and games, grocery and gourmet foods, office supplies, and so on. The products that people are buying, the boring stuff, are the stuff that's going to get you to where you want to be. That's going to give you the consistency. Because starting a side hustle, starting an Amazon business, you don't want inconsistency. You don't want volatility. You don't want high sales, low sales, high sales, low sales. That's not how you build actual cash flow and something that you can end up quitting your job off of. You want consistency. So 70% is going to be focused on the major categories. The other 30%, we might focus a little bit more on the seasonal aspects, but do not by any means necessary only focus on the trending items. You want to focus on the items that you know people are going to buy no matter what happens in the whole entire world, that are not going to simply sell for 1 month and then stop selling thereafter. Now, what you're looking for in specific data points is the BSR, the bestseller rank. You want to have something below 500,000, and your profit margin is going to be aiming between 18% and 25% for the products you're listing, of course, depending on the price point, right? So when you do have a high ticket store, this ends up becoming, lower percentage of profit, but higher amount of dollar profit. Or if you have a low ticket store, you're going to have higher percentage of profit, but lower dollar amount of profit per item sold. Now, the reason why this model is so lucrative is because when we're selling in Amazon, the way that we sell Amazon, so what I mean by that is it's a very simple model. You're gonna be able to list products that your supplier has available on their inventory. So let's say, for example, if I wanna list a phone or something like that, and my supplier has the phone available for $200, I can then go ahead and resell that product on Amazon for people to purchase for $500, but without buying it before. So this gives you the opportunity to test it and see if it actually works. So even if you list a product when you're selling on Amazon the way that we do it, and a product does not sell, what do you care? Because at the end of the day, you didn't spend any money. So you can always learn in how to improve the products that you're actually listing. But the moment that it does sell, you get a notification from Amazon saying, hey Shane, you sold this product for $500. Here's the customer shipping info. When you get the customer shipping information, you then go to your supplier, you copy the customer shipping info, paste it into your supplier's website, you use your credit card to purchase the item. I pay $200, but my customer paid me $500, plus or minus any fees, of course, and the difference is gonna be my net profit. And then from that point, the supplier is going to send the product directly to the customer's doorstep for me upon my behalf. So this is a great way for you to test out what exactly works. So the name of the game when you're selling on Amazon is volume. You want to list anything and everything. And this is the consistent theme that I've seen from some of my top performing sellers over the last 4.5 years. They don't focus on quality in the beginning. They focus on quantity. So they aim far and wide. Think about an upside down triangle, right? They're gonna list anything and everything in the beginning. And as time progresses, the way that this works is you'll then get data. You'll start to see of the 100 products that sell, then you'll see 80 of them are doing okay. And then you'll see 30 of them doing okay. And then you'll see 20 of those product listings that are selling consistently for you. And once you have that data, that quality, then you double down on what exactly you know works for your storefront. And this is how we make data-based decisions to be able to maximize the ROI for people that have limited time to put into their Amazon business, but also be able to make the most amount of money. And those products are gonna be your bread and butter. Those products are gonna be your money makers. Those are gonna be the ones that you're gonna wanna be focusing a lot of your time, a lot of your energy on. And this means on, subcategories, on product variations in different colors, let's say, for example, or different models as well. So this is just a small snippet in regards to the types of methods and research processes that we follow with and the mentorship I provide for you to understand what goes into a hot selling product on Amazon. But the truth is, most people are gonna wait 40 years to start living their life. Most people are gonna wait to retire at 60 or 70 years old with little to nothing saved up at the end of the day. But there are people out there that are in similar situations as you watching this YouTube video right now that are doing things differently. They're building income outside of the regular day-to-day job, because who knows if that's actually even secure in today's day and age. They're gonna have something that they can control, that's in their hands. And for you as a family member, for you as a parent, for you as someone that's the head of the household, let's say, for example, you're the one that's in charge, and you're the one that has to say, I'm gonna make the moves necessary to protect myself and to protect my family by any means. And this is how you build wealth instead of just earning wages. So if you're ready to stop waiting for your company to take care of you and you want to take matters to your own hands, go ahead, click the link in the description down below. Like I said, for the next 5 people that book in a call, you're going to get something special that I've never ever done before, and I'm promising you it's going to be well worth it. But look, the question isn't, does it work? Does it not work? This has worked for over 4.5 years for over 600 people. I've got this system narrowed down to a T. The question is whether or not you're gonna keep on doing what everyone else does but expect something different, or are you actually gonna do something different, put your words into action, and start building something that actually changes your future and your family's future as well. So if you got any questions, please feel free to drop them down below. I'd love to be able to answer them. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, so that way you can be reminded of every single video that I do put out there. You can be able to watch it and take action from it almost immediately. I'll see you guys in the next one.